What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am here to go over on how exactly do you set up an auto shutdown scheduler on just simple command prompt. You don't have to download anything, it's all built inside your computer. So to load up command prompt, you type in CMD or hold Windows R and then type in CMD again, and then it loads up command prompt. So how do we go about doing this? So we type in, or basically as you see up here, I've already done it. If you type in shutdown -S, which stands for shutting down, -C, which stands for the comment. You don't have to put in the comment, that's only an option, or we could just put, and then we can just put in -T, which is the amount of time, which 600 seconds stands for 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it for 6,000 so I don't accidentally shut down my computer. So you click enter, and you get a message saying your computer is about in 100 minutes. Shutdown will start on Wednesday. When it's going to shut down in the middle of that. So if you want to cancel it, you go to shutdown -A, click enter, and then now it's canceled. Simple as that. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want more videos like this. You know what to do. Go in the comments section and tell me what you want, and I'll see you guys on the next